Everybody, thanks for watching. I just want to go over the new site. Well, the same site, but we've upgraded the site as I said I would, and want to show you guys real quick. You can register here for people who have not registered yet. If you have just subscribed to Merkabah Academy, if you have bought the membership, this is where you come to basically register. Anybody who wants to purchase the membership is down here. You register, and it'll log you right in once you're done registration. But for those who have already set up an account, I'll log in here. We basically fixed that problem with login, so you guys should be able to log right in. And once you do, it'll take you straight to the timeline. So the timeline is basically self-explanatory. It's basically almost like Facebook a little bit. You'll see everybody on the site. This is from me testing it out. You can put videos, you can put pictures, and I've been testing it out, making sure everything's working correctly, and there's a bunch of stuff you'll see once you log in. But if you get down too far, we have a little arrow to bounce you back up to the top. Some features here. You'll have notifications here as well. If you click the bell, you'll see notifications. If you get friend requests and so on and so forth, you go to your profile page, clicking profile, and it's laid out for you. You can showcase your Instagram and anything that you have talked about or posted on a timeline, you'll see right here in your activity. Any conversations you may have had, if you want to deal with them on your profile page, you can deal with them here, as well as click on friends. You can see your friends list and photos. People can actually come to your profile and check out what you have on your profile page. And it's friend request and so on and so forth. You guys are familiar with the stuff. You'll always see my Twitter thing right here. So yeah, definitely follow. Recommended books. I'll always have some listed here. Be different ones. There'll be links later on. And I'll have a video down here, featured video. If you guys are a member of Merkabah Academy, you can definitely get into conscious courses and check this stuff out. Book club. Let's take a look at what this stuff looks like really quick. Yeah, you can get in conscious courses here. I have workshops coming and everything like that. Merkabah library. And it's a little different, but you have videos. You have a lot of stuff here. If you're a paid member, there's a lot of stuff you can get into. And the site is really expanding. It's going to be a lot more things. If you want to check out the members, matter of fact, let's go here. Let's click on members. And you can see the members, everybody who is joined. It's about 30 pages right now of people. If you go to the last page, I think it's about 30. Yeah, it's about 30 pages. It's a lot of people who have joined. Eventually, as if you guys put a profile page and a banner up, you have to redo that now. You should be able to log right in. And when you go to your profile, just upload a picture, so the pictures will populate here, as you can see, and people will be able to find you and so on and so forth. And this is where you can find members at. But for everybody who is interested in the lifetime membership, today is it. It's the final day. The sale is up. The link is in the description. Once those spots are filled, the link will no longer work. People have already reserved their spots, and a lot of spots are gone. So the time is now. This will be it. So definitely take advantage of this sale. Once it's gone, it's gone. Today is the day, and there's a lot of people who have already inquired about it. The link is here. Definitely take advantage. Spots will go quick, but lifetime membership, a lot more is coming to this site. You'll see it grow and change. You'll see a lot of stuff develop. We're working on a way to keep the site going as we upgrade it, so that'll help you guys stay on. But this will probably be the only time where things have to be reset and you guys have to basically re-upload your pictures. But once you're registered and logged in, there's a lot of stuff here you guys can go and check out, and it's going to be a lot more coming to this site, a lot more things. And like I said, it's a smaller part of a larger platform that's coming. And I want to thank you guys for taking advantage. And this stuff can't get done without support. So I appreciate the people who have been supporting. And it takes support to do things like this, to make something this good. And we need more stuff like this. And it's going to be a really important site, as you'll see coming up. There's a lot coming to it, and I appreciate you guys' support and your membership. once you register, if you had already paid for a site, you guys will probably have limited access. Just give it some time, and your full access will be granted after a while. You'll see. But for the most part, when you register as a free account, you guys will be limited, and it's a lot more stuff that's going to be coming, as you'll see. You know, definitely want to become a member and definitely contribute. But I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch. The site is up and running now. You guys log in. If you have any issues with passwords and so on and so forth, send an email to therealmerkabah@gmail.com. We'll take care of it. Just give us some time. But for the most part, the site is good. It's running. It's doing well. I appreciate you guys for being members. See you guys next video.